Dear viewers or listeners, welcome back. A very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to one and all. Based on you are viewing this video, based on your time zones. I am G. Bharat Kumar, working as assistant professor and pursuing PhD. Today, I will explain about top 10 programming languages and about their inventors. First, I will explain about top 10 programming languages. The first, definitely we will discuss about the C programming language. Actually, now we are most of you using either Java or Python programming languages because most of the multinational companies are working their projects with the help of either Java or Python. So that's why we are preferring only for those languages. Before we are moving to Python and Java, definitely we will learn some basic about C programming language also. Actually, today we are discussing about top 10 programming languages and their inventors, about their inventors. So first of all, I will explain about the C programming language. Actually, C programming is invented by Dennis Ritchie. Before the C programming language, we have several languages. Actually, we are starting to learn from the C programming language, but before the C programming language, we have several languages. Algol language, BCPL, B. After that, Dennis Ritchie is invented the traditional C programming language. After then, the C programming language also have several changes after traditional C, canned RC, YANSI C, YANSI or ISO C programming language. Finally, C99 developed by Standard Company. So now we will discuss about the C programming language. Actually, C programming language is invented by Dennis Ritchie. He is an American computer scientist, created the famous C programming language between 1967 and 1973 while working at AT&T Labs. So it is past its heydays. C is still very popular and used extensively in system programming. Actually, it's older than Java, but is still popular among world programmers. The C programming language is also referred to as K&R-C after its authors, and Dennis Ritchie was developed K&R-C programming. So this is the information about the C programming language. After that, definitely we will discuss about C++. Based on the C programming language disadvantages, C++ programming language is invented. Actually, C++ programming language is the first object-oriented programming language developed by Stroustrup. Actually, he is the inventor of famous C++ programming language. So, the main aim of C++ programming language is it's completely developed in object-oriented programming. So, the main disadvantage of C programming is long programs, larger programs we will not develop in C programming language. That's why The others move to C++ programming language. Based on the disadvantages of C++ programming language, the developers moved to Java programming language. Now, 85% of the multinational companies are working in Java programming language. Actually, the Java programming language is developed by James Gosling. Java programming language is developed by James Gosling. Here, small mistake is there. The Java programming language is developed by James Gosling. Actually, the main aim of implementing the Java programming language is based on the disadvantages of C++. Actually, C++ is developed in object-oriented programming language. So some security problems are raised in C++, mainly for security point of view. The Java programming is invented. One of the most feature of Java is also secure. So the Java programming is developed by James Gosling. Actually, he was working for Sun Microsystems between 1984 and 2010. Before joining Sun Microsystems, he built a multi-processor version of Unix for a 16-way computer system while at Cambridge Mellon University. Java was supported earlier by Sun Microsystems and now by Oracle, who acquired Sun Microsystems in January 2010. Java is created with mission, write once, run anywhere, and Java is platform independent language. That's why Java is very popular. After that, one of the main programming languages Python. Actually, before Java, Python is invented, but most of the multinational companies are not preferred at that time. But nowadays, most of the compared to India, United States of America is preferred the Python programming language. Nowadays, the trend is the Python programming language. That's why nowadays users, the learners are also preferred for Python programming language. Actually, the Python programming language is invented by Guido van Rossum. Actually, in the Python community, he is he is known as a benevolent dictator for life. Shortly, this is called as BDFL, meaning that the continues to oversee the Python development process, making decisions where necessary. Python is the favorite language of hackers. Actually, the Python is the favorite language of hackers, security researchers, and pen testers because of its structural stability and usefulness in developing exploits and tools. Hackers like it because actually the hackers like the programming language of Python because its syntax is clear and expressive. Python is designed by Rossum. Okay, so the hackers are most liking the language Python. After that, PHP. Actually, PHP is the scripting type of language. This is developed by Latroff. Actually, the PHP is used for server side to develop the server side programming language. PHP is not considered as a programming language, but it is used extensively to power the web. At the time of development of web applications, definitely we will use PHP programming language. The PHP is open source and used by internet like Facebook and Wikipedia, as well as CMS like WordPress. The full form of PHP is personal home page. This is the information about PHP. The next programming language is Perl. Actually, the Perl the Perl programming language is developed by Larry Wall. The Perl, it is still the primary language used to develop reports scripts on Unix systems. Actually, this programming language is used to develop reports scripts on Unix operating systems. That is the use of Perl. The next programming language, JavaScript. Actually, this is the advanced concept of one of the advanced concept of Java. This is developed by Brendan Eich. Actually, he is the co-founded the Mozilla project. Actually, Mozilla Firefox is one of the web browser. The Eich, the Brendan Eich is the one of the Mozilla Foundation. Coming to the next programming language, Ruby. The Ruby was first designed and developed in the mid of 1990. This programming language is developed by Match. Actually, his full name is Yukihiro Matsumoto. Actually, the Ruby programming language is influenced by Perl, ADA, Lisp, and Smalltalk, and designed for the Ruby programming language is designed for productive and enjoyable programming. Ruby is mostly used for web application development. Actually, this is used by major websites like Twitter. Coming to the ninth programming language, Lisp. Actually, the Lisp full abbreviation is List Processor. This programming language is developed by John McCarthy. Actually, besides developing Lisp, he coined the now famous term artificial intelligence. He also developed the Lisp programming language family, significantly influenced the design of ALGOL programming language. Before C programming language, we have one programming language is available, that is ALGOL, ALGOL. Actually, the influenced the design of ALGOL programming language is also developed by John McCarthy. Coming to the last programming language, Pascal. Actually, this programming language is developed by Nicholas With. Actually, he was also the chief designer of the programming languages ALGOL. He was also a major part of the design and the implementation term for the Oberon operating systems and for the Lola digital hardware design and simulation system. Actually, these 10 are the top 10 programming languages. This information is about the inventors of these 10 programming languages. Actually, nowadays, most of the multinational companies are preferred only the Java and Python programming language. This is the information about top 10 programming languages and their inventors. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for spending your time for listening this video.